Have you ever wondered if online survey apps really pay Nigerians? I signed up for Surveoo, one of the most talked about survey platforms online, and guess what? I made over 120,000 naira without leaving my room. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how I did it, show you payment proofs, referral tricks, and the truth about their withdrawal system. Let's dive in. Surveoo calls itself the #1 paid survey platform. It's designed to reward users with real money just for answering short opinion surveys. Once you sign up, you get access to a dashboard where surveys start coming in. The more surveys you complete, the more money you earn. Just by completing 2 surveys, I was credited 24 naira. And after 5 surveys, another 48 naira came in. These aren't random figures, you can see here, marked clearly as credited. And it gets better. Surveoo also gives you bonuses. Check this out, just for enabling web alerts, they offer another 24 naira. No catch. Just a simple browser setting change. This means you can rack up earnings very quickly, especially in the beginning. All these small bonuses add up to over 96 naira in no time. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Surveoo's referral system pays you 10% of your friends' earnings for life. That means if you invite 10 active users, their income will continue to pay you even while you sleep. You can see here, one of my referrals earned me 299 naira already, and this was from just one person. Imagine what 50 or 100 referrals could do. If you want to start earning like this too, I've dropped my referral link in the description below. Just click it, register, and start getting paid for every survey you complete. Plus, you'll instantly unlock some welcome bonuses. So how do you cash out in Nigeria? Surveoo offers a few options. You can withdraw using a virtual Visa prepaid card, or choose gift cards like 6 to 9 supermarket and Alpha Prime grocery stores. While they don't yet offer direct Naira bank transfers, the Visa option can be used to shop online or fund other accounts. It's usable for anyone with basic digital finance knowledge. Now you'll notice here, I haven't made a withdrawal yet. That's because there might be a minimum payout threshold. Make sure you read their payout terms once you're ready to cash out. I know what you're thinking, is Surveoo legit or just another scam app? From my experience so far, the earnings and bonuses are real. The platform is clean, easy to navigate, and rewards you as promised. But like most survey platforms, patience is key. Don't expect to get rich overnight. Use this as a side hustle and focus on getting consistent with your survey completions and referrals. If you're in Nigeria and looking for a legit way to make money online in 2025, Surveoo is worth trying. Just take surveys, refer your friends, and earn bonuses along the way. I'll keep updating you with proof of payment once I hit the withdrawal mark, so subscribe and follow the journey. Don't forget, the link to register and start earning is right there in the description. Click it, sign up through my referral link, and let's start making money together. This is Lucky Update, and if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment with your questions, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates on real side hustles in Nigeria. Peace.